What causes a small penis? Almost every man has taken a ruler to their penis to answer the question, is my penis too small? Even a few centimeters difference in penis size can make a big difference to one's sexual health and self-esteem. If you are worried that your penis is too small, watch on to find out more about what could be causing it and possible solutions. In one study, the Journal of Urology found that the average penis size falls between 4.7 and 6.3 inches in length when erect, and about 4.7 inches in circumference. Producing similar results to the study above, the Kinsey Institute reported the average penis dimensions as follows: 5 to 6.5 inches in length when erect, 4 to 5 inches in circumference when erect. If your penis falls outside of this normal distribution, there may be a variety of factors at play that cause your penis to stop growing prematurely. A very small percentage of males suffer from a condition called a micropenis, but those with this condition are usually aware of it at birth and are given treatment options. Factors that cause a small penis. When determining the cause of a small penis, the answer is almost always a combination of factors rather than just a single reason. To narrow down the reasons why you may have a small penis, consider the following factors. How genes affect what's in your genes. Just like other phenotypes, penis size can be inherited from a combination of genes from your mother and father, rather than a single source. Penis size is determined in part by a combination of genes that get passed down during prenatal development. If the fetus has received a Y chromosome from its father, then it will start to develop testes around the 8th week of growth. However, how large the male member will grow depends, in part, on the genome you end up with. Hormones. Penis size doesn't only come down to genes. Hormones and environmental factors play a huge part in the size of your phallus, especially during the crucial stage of prenatal development and puberty. During prenatal development, a male fetus starts growing a penis between 8 and 12 weeks of formation. But the second and third trimesters are usually the most critical, as this is the stage in which male sex hormones affect penile growth the most. If the fetus lacks access to testosterone or growth hormones during this stage, penile growth can be stunted and a baby may be born with penile complications. Environmental factors. Certain external and environmental factors can affect penile growth as well. For example, certain chemicals like phthalate used in plastic, PCBs, pesticides, pollution, and food hormones have been linked to smaller penis sizes. Interestingly enough, certain natural chemicals have also been linked to shortened penile length. Lavender and tea tree oil have been linked to endocrine disruptions. Lifestyle. In order to promote and maintain penile health, it is important to live a healthy lifestyle. Getting a balanced diet and maintaining proper hygiene are basic steps in the right direction. In fact, research shows that you could lose as much as 2 centimeters of penis length if you are physically unable to get regular erections. This is due to the fact that the penis needs to be exercised in order to maintain strong muscles and tissue elasticity. Some of the most common and conspicuous penis conditions include a micropenis, webbed penis, buried penis, and a concealed penis. Micropenis. Though extremely rare, about 0.6% of the male population suffer from a medically diagnosable condition known as a micropenis. A micropenis refers to an erection measuring 2.75 inches or less. The main cause of a micropenis is a deficiency in prenatal androgen production. However, other causes include testicular deformation, testosterone defects, Klinefelter syndrome, androgen insensitivity, and other types of congenital hypogonadism. Most men who suffer from this condition are diagnosed at birth or shortly thereafter, and in some cases can receive treatment through testosterone therapy. Penis enlargement solutions. To meet the demand for penis enlargement remedies, many products have been placed on the market, ranging from extenders to pills, surgeries, pumps, and more. Unfortunately, many of these products rely on false advertising and simply play on the anxieties that many men experience regarding their penile length. What's important to remember is that the penis is not a muscle. Further, pharmaceutical options, like penis enlargement pills, often only serve as a temporary solution and don't actually increase the size of your penis. In fact, some of these pills could actually throw off your body's natural chemical and hormonal balance. To learn how to make penis bigger 2 inches to 3 inches naturally at home by using simple exercises, then click the link in the description to download now. Thanks for watching.